What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Richie and today we've got a little bit of a quick one. This is the Pitaka Carbon Fibre watch band. Now when this came out and I saw a couple of videos on it, I was like, this looks sick, I have to have it. I'm invested in the Pitaka ecosystem, as you can see here with this mag dock, which you can't get anymore, but it's a cool device that I've been using over these past couple of years. I was supposed to do a video on it, maybe I might do one in the future. Anyways, that's besides the point. I was like, yo, I need to have this. I love these style watch bands, so anything to get my flex factor on, I'm there for it. So basically, comes in a nice white box. I'm not gonna say it. And carbon fiber watch band. This is the 44mm because I've got a 44mm Apple Watch. But yeah, built really well. Pitaka always has some cool packaging. So you have this little tab to slide out, and I've already been using this, so I will kind of do a quick review. I've just put it back in the box for dramatic effect. There's your little pamphlet with instructions on how to change the watch band, how to use it. I mean, I'll show you how to kind of do some of those things in this video, so you can plug that and file it to the side. Here is the band. Now, I've already taken off some links to fit my wrist because my wrist isn't as big as they thought it was, as I suppose the default one was, but there you go, there's your watch band. And then yeah, I've taken off the extra links, so I've taken off 2 on each side, and yeah, it seems to fit really well. It does come with 2 extra links, so if your wrist is extra massive, then there you go. And it also comes with a little, what seems to be like a SIM eject tool, so you can obviously use this on your phone, but the way that you adjust the band, and I'm not too sure if that's focusing right there, but there are little holes on the side, and you stick your eject tool, or this watch band tool as I'll refer to it now, and you want to move the pin inside the locking pin, and then you can adjust the band that way. It is a little bit tedious, you do have to be patient with it, so I'm not going to show you in this video, but yeah, I'd imagine it's very similar to any other linked band if you were to change it, but anyways, there you go. So this is what the band looks like. Obviously very sleek, very cool. I've gone for the modern version. I just think it just looks more seamless, but you can get a classic one which looks like this on the outside, which resembles more of your, obviously, hence the name, classic linked watch band. Now, let's get all this packaging out of the way and let's slap the band on the watch. So I've got my stainless steel Series 5 there. It's looking a bit dusty at the moment. I think I might need to redo the oleophobic coating because I've basically rocked it raw dog since I bought it. Now, obviously, you want to separate the band before you put it on, otherwise it's just going to be impossible. Usually I find that the bottom smaller clasp, that if that goes on the bottom, if it goes on the top, it's a bit easier to put the watch band on, and then the bigger point goes on the bottom. Slaps on like any, ow. Poked myself there. Slaps on like any other Apple Watch band would. Now the kind of the connection points to the Apple Watch would best be matched to an aluminium space gray, but since the watch is black, it looks, again, really seamless. Putting on the band, there's no easy way to show this, but you just want to line it up and the magnets do the work for you, and there you go, it's on there and it's not going away. And as you can see, it looks really cool, very sleek. If you've got, you know, if you're nicely dressed, you've got a dress shirt on, and then you pull out your Pitaka case on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, you know, your flex factor is up there. This looks cool, and it's very, very minimalist, and I don't know, there's just something about the carbon fiber look. I don't think this is actually carbon fiber, it's probably aramid fiber, which is what they use for their cases anyways. It just looks sick. Now, the watch band does have a decent amount of flex to it, so, you know, if you move your wrist around, but bear in mind, it is a fixed size, so if you have like a regular sport loop or a Nike loop band, I should say, you can't adjust it on the fly. It's fixed there, so you want to adjust the watch band to where it is somewhat loose so your wrist can breathe, but not loose enough to where it's just gonna flop around. But yeah, and taking off the watch band, there's 2 little buttons on the side, you just push those in and then it comes off. So yeah, look at that, that looks sick. So obviously, as you can tell, this is a style watch band because you don't really want to be wearing it to the gym. It's not the most flexible band in the world. You do have a little bit of room, and I've worn it over the past couple of days, days at a time, and it's been fine. It's actually one of the more comfortable style wristbands. So another set, just as an example, you can rock the leather case with the leather band. Now this one's from AliExpress, and I paid like $5 for it, but it looks the part and it's held up really well. It just, obviously it's not genuine leather, it's more synthetic, but for the purposes of the video, if you wear some brown dress shoes, brown belt, that kind of thing, this would be a sick combo. But if you're wanting something that's a bit more understated and you've got some other Pitaka products, or you just want a nice cool black wristband, this one is a go. Like I for the most part, it's been absolutely fine. It's held up really well. I mean, I've only had it for a week, so I don't know what the long-term durability of it is going to be like, but if there's anything to report, I will let you know. Seeing as it's aramid fiber though, I do expect it to stand a bit of abuse. But if you're going out wearing a style band, you're not likely doing heaps of physical activity, you don't want to wear this to the gym. I have by accident, because I forgot this watch band at home while I was kind of wearing this one, and it stood up. I just basically had to wipe it off, and it was fine, no problems at all. Now, another watch band that I've done a review on is the Milanese loop. Unfortunately, I don't use this as much anymore because, I don't know, it is a cool band. It looks really cool. I love the magnetic. Now, this one is actually adjustable, so you can actually adjust the size of the loop on the fly, which is really nice. But because there's like little holes and stuff, it gets caught in your arm hairs and sometimes pulls on it and it hurts. And also, if you are moving around a little bit, your skin rubs up against the rough edge of the Milanese loop, and that's again quite uncomfortable. So this one I'd only wear on a special occasion at night or something. If I'm going somewhere to stunt and look nice, this is probably what I'd put on. I wouldn't wear it for the whole day, but this one you definitely can use for the whole day. Now that's enough of my ramblings. If you had your eye on it and you've got a Pitaka case, or you just like the look of the band, I'd say it's a go. It is a little bit the price is a bit up there, but that's what you got to do. You got to pay to play with these kinds of things, and I think it's $89 US for one of these bands, which works out to around $120, $130 in New Zealand. Again, pay to play, but you do definitely get what you pay for. Pitaka always makes some really high quality, nice products, and if you've got the case or anything else Pitaka, it'll definitely match. So yeah, definitely, I do rate this band. I really like it, and I'm gonna rock it a lot more than I normally would my Milanese loop. Then again, the sports bands obviously are a lot better to use on a day-to-day basis, but you gotta, fashion is pain. Anyways, that's enough of me rambling. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really do appreciate you guys sticking around. If you want to see more Pitaka content, or you want to see a video on the Mag Dock, I think I might do it anyways, just because I think it's such a cool product, and maybe it'll incentivize Pitaka to bring it back. But yeah, apart from that, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button for more content, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.